How to assemble a human touch whole body ROVE massage chair. To get started, plug the power cord into the rear of the chair and then into a power outlet. Turn the power switch to on. The chair automatically inclines to the upright position. When the chair stops moving, turn the power switch to off and unplug the power cord. Next, remove the clip from each calf massager mounting post by prying the tongue of the clip outward and then sliding the clip off the post. Now, place the foot and calf massager into position in front of the chair, then install the air hose onto the fitting, as far as it will go. Connect the white connectors, making sure you hear a snap, which indicates that the connection is secure. Next, lift the massager, align the massager bracket holes with the mounting posts on the chair, then slide the brackets leftward, onto the posts. To secure the massager, reinstall a clip into the groove on each post, with the tongue facing the end of the post. Now, remove the protective backing from the massager hook and loop fastener strip, then press the flap onto the chair seat to secure it. Connect the body pad heat cable to the heat cable from the chair, then slide the black protective casing over the connection. Next, close the zipper on each side of the body pad. Remove the protective backing from the body pad hook and loop fastener strip. Align the hook and loop fastener strip with the strip on the seat, then press down on the body pad to secure it to the seat. Now, align the tablet connector pins with the tablet connector on the chair, then connect the connectors. Turn the connector lock clockwise to secure it. Next, place the tablet holder into position, aligning the notch on the mounting post with the groove in the socket. Push down firmly on the tablet holder until it clicks into place. Place the tablet into the holder, with the cord centered in the bracket. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.